All right, guys, you've had your say, you've had your cheer, you know who you want to win. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's up to our three judges. Ladies and gentlemen, the winner, the best, Samoa's best dance crew in Samoa 2012 is... Tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be... MMY, the
Master, what is my destiny? Here they come.
Party up! If you smile, look up in the sky, it's a plane.
Yeah, let's do it.
Remove your helmet and tell me your name.
We are the fraternity.
Now you know who you're fighting.
Here we come. I represent OGs, awesome ninjas, born as a splinter, brought to the winter.
Are you afraid?
Edit.
Your dad.
This ain't gonna be easy.
Drums.
My turn.
Baby, are you aware when you my private jet? Private jet. Yeah, Chinese and what? Too much booty. Can't. Let's get it on. I step on stage, break a leg and a ligament. For the rugged one. This is the end. Now fall.
Give it up, give it up! MMY Fraternity, guys! Woo! Fantastic, man. That was awesome. These guys don't play. These guys are here to say something. Take your bows. Thank you very much, Fraternity, up in there, guys. Awesome stuff, man. Awesome stuff. I don't know if you guys saw, but if I had a backstage camera, there was this dude that did this sort of like a flippy kicky thing and did the little flip. That was phenomenal. It was absolutely amazing. The talent, this shit is crazy. Let's have a look at our next crew, guys. Coming up.
Let's live it up. I got my money. Let's spin it up. Go out and smash it. Like, oh my God. Jump out that sofa. Let's kick it.
Well done. No doubt. Full credit goes to the United Usos. Full credit goes to United Usos holding the championship for 2 years. Well done to Fraternity. MMY taking it out for 2012. We'd like to thank our major sponsor. We'd like to thank you guys for coming. Next year is going to be bigger. No doubt it's going to be more crazier. Like to thank our judges, Sayuli, Agnes, Fasimalo, and definitely to all you guys for coming out. Thank you very much. Congratulations to MNY Fraternity. Well done once again going out to United Usos. God bless your crews, all the crews and everyone. We'll see you next year, 2013. Simon's best dance crew. God bless. Soy Hua.
Yes, I got my swagger back. Yeah.
So good being back. Come on.
Take your shirt off.
Edit.
Listen, listen. That's a nice gonna